I was on the road with a traveling band. I saw a revolution in a foreign land. The animals thought they could run the farm. They marched through the barnyard singing this song. 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. The animals know that the people are mad. 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. The animals know that the people are mad on the animal farm. The cows and the horses will plow the fields. The sheep and the goats will cook the meals. The ducks and the crows, they pick the corn. The chickens and the geese keep the nest eggs warm. And up on the farm with watchful eyes, the hogs and the pigs will supervise on the animal farm. People are cruel and they just don't care, but everyone works and everyone shares on the animal farm. I went to a party in the county jail. The animals came and they posted my bail. They took me back to the animal farm. They sobered me up and they kept me warm. I don't know why they befriended me, but soon I was walking on my hands and knees on the animal farm, singing 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. The animals know that the people are mad. 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. I had the best time that I ever had on the animal farm. I got my job and I earned my pay. When you live in the city, it's the only way. I got my house and I got my car, and a bumper sticker says I'd rather be down on the